Hello Hoovies and welcome to another video. Today is another short video, but it's an unboxing video. Now, today we're unboxing two things. We're unboxing this DVD and this CD, which came with another Vortex magazine. Hooray! Right, let's start off with the DVD. This is the one. So we're unboxing Attack of the Cybermen, Colin Baker years from 1984 to 86. This is going to be an easy open, because, there we go, see, we've opened it, very easy. So that's another DVD in my collection, and now let's open this. This is the Big Finishes. The 7th Doctor Adventures Volume 7. Now I'm currently listening to this and they are quite good. Now, right, we've got scissors on hand. We can try and get into it the best way possible. Right. Or not, apparently. Nope. We're struggling a little bit. Hang on. We've got the area, but it's trying to pick it up. Try and take it through. No. We're not doing very well here, guys. No, we're not doing very well at all. Right, we're almost there now. We're almost there now. We're almost there now. Yes. Yes, we've got it. There we go, we've got it. We've got it. Here we go. Yes, so this series is really good. So is Colin Baker's era in Doctor Who. They're all really good. And yes, so sorry about the lack of talking. I was trying to get into them, but it's like how do I say it? Very tricky to get into it because I haven't got any nails anymore. So it's very hard to get into it. And I just needed to get in there and concentrate to get in there. So these videos will be improving in the future, don't you worry. Those unboxing videos, these videos will be more improved. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm out. Bye! I'm an interesting person. If you listen to my story, interesting.